This is a video inspection of the 2005 SL-20. It does have a value option package D, full C-axis live tooling and tail stock. Right now we're just going to go ahead and run it through its paces. What we'll do is we'll start off with a turret change. Okay. Next we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. Start off at 1500 RPMs. You're at 2500 RPMs right now. I'll slowly back that down. It does have the floppy USB port. We also have the owner's manual with the machine. We also have the chip chute. And we'll go ahead and verify the options. I'm sorry, not the options, the serial number. 69729, manufactured 3 of 05. And a quick look on the inside of the electrical cabinet. There's the chip chute right there. The chip chute, the foot pads, and the blocking bracket. It does have the parts catcher, chip auger, like I said, high intense lighting. The machine has about a little over 5,000 hours cutting on it, so it's in really nice shape. Over here we have the tooling coming with the machine. So we've got it's miscellaneous OD and ID tool blocks, and then we also have 5 live tool holders here. And then we also have the 3 jaw chuck coming with the machine. So all this tooling will be included in the purchase of the machine. And this concludes the video presentation of the 2005 Haas SL-20.